The design of the JBL Go 3 is extremely pleasant and robust. Thanks to the rubberized housing and the fabric-covered speaker, it feels much better than other Bluetooth speakers in its price range. Characteristic for the Go series, the Go 3 has a fixed fabric loop that can be attached to backpacks, suitcases or furniture. It's also available in many beautiful colors. For its size, the Go 3 offers a good battery life of 5 hours at about 70% volume, and the battery is fully charged in 2 hours via USB-C. Using the connection button, it can be easily connected to any type of device via Bluetooth.
But it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through.
In conclusion, it can be said that the JBL Go 3 are ideal for those who are looking for a small speaker with good sound for little money, but still prefer a branded product. Thanks for watching the video, leave a like below and subscribe my channel.